You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't night when you need my love.
お前はもう死んでいる。何？
Yeah, I like blink. That can only mean one thing. Nobody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. 'Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline bling, I can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, ever since I left the city, you and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Ain't I really need?
All the squad is dropped for good.
She said she know just how that stress gets. When you hungry and you just trying to eat breakfast and nobody feel your message, feel good enough to wake up and then fall back to sleep. It's a bad call to go get involved with like half the shit that I see. Plus I feel happier in my dreams, right? I spit that shit that give the feeling of the seaside. Hung over and pissed, but with the flick of the wrist, yo, I can kick shit like this. I'll be as good as it gets, even through all my vices. My inner being Rastafarian, always 103 times you get Spartacus. What's with all you knockoffs and self-conscious narcissists? Said I'm an artist, bitch, you this shit so artifice. In it for the hardships, the nonsense, and reaping the tension. Homie rolled up a blessing, we in a world with no exits. You gotta give me a second, straighten up and get balanced. My homie flipped on the record, I beat it up, ain't no challenge. I smoke the weed while my grandmother's scarf comforts me. Shoot look ugly, I ain't ever tripping about the lack of company. Cause honestly I'm sitting here alone quite comfortably, impressed through this dimension. And I think I failed to mention that I feel like I've been running out of seconds. Nobody gave a forewarning or a preface. Following my dreams feel like following my death wish. Hey yo, reach and you slip, I backpedal. I do my homework glazed and get A's, I'm mad mellow. I hear the sad fellows get they fix when I spit, like that sun up in the sky. You must protect it, you get hit. Sometimes life is full of shit, too many damn to-do lists. But yo, I learned if you ain't cool and you just being foolish. I used to think that I'ma die early, like mid-30s, but fuck that, I'ma rise early and ride dirty. I reach the crucifix up to my lips and then I kiss it. I try to walk with God, but got some holes up in my slippers, so I keep on slipping, get tangled in the mischief. So in a nutshell, I'm just a sinner named Christian, but still they keep me spinning when they drinking on they lonely. I'm rolling like Jody, eyes open, got stolen by this music shit, and I don't think I'm coming back. Everybody rockin' plaid, we look like lumberjacks. Hey yo, I smoke that weed with my grandmother's scarf comforts me. Shoot look I ain't ever tripping about the lack of company. Cause honestly I'm sitting here alone quite comfortably, the rest of this dimension. And I think I failed to mention that I feel like I've been running out of seconds. Nobody gave a forewarning or a preface. Following my dreams till it's following my death. Yeah, hey yo, let it go.
just wanted to say thanks. I'm glad you came along. Partner, I want to sing a song just for you. 'Cause you're my special friend.